Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Gmail and opening your Google account. This is where recovery contacts live. Once signed in, click your avatar in the top right, then choose Manage your Google account. Make sure to use the account you want to check, not a secondary profile. Next, select Personal Info from the left menu. This section organizes name, contact, and recovery fields. Follow these steps now to expose the recovery email field quickly and avoid navigating through irrelevant pages. Once in Personal Info, scroll to Contact Info and tap Email. That narrows the view to address types. Look for Recovery Email. It may be hidden until you click or authenticate. Click the Edit icon to reveal the address and any management options. If Google asks, confirm with your password or two-step verification. That protects your account from unauthorized changes. This step explains why verification is required, safety, and to let you see or change the recovery email securely. You're at the finish line. Confirm the displayed recovery email or edit it to a current address, then save. If you update, Google may send a verification link to the new email. Click it to complete the change. If you can't view or edit because Google denies verification, use the account recovery flow or add an alternate email from another trusted device. If things go wrong, try signing out and back in, clear cache, or use your phone with two-step prompts enabled as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.